wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. And happy Valentine's Day to you. Do you like Valentine's Day? I sure do. You know why? Because we get to do a craft today. And who's going to help us out with that? Olivia! Of course she is. So why don't we see what she has planned for us?
Back in the arts and crafts studio, and we're going to do something really, really special for Valentine's Day!
Yay!
And hopefully we're going to give you some ideas of what you can do for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, for sure.
Right?
Yeah, I think so. Should we show them how we made our heart boxes?
Yes, I think we should.
Okay, so do you want to hold up your heart box so they can see what it is?
So this, kids, is my heart box.
Yep. So it's a box and it has a lid.
Yep.
And we made it out of cardboard.
Yep.
But you can also make it out of construction paper.
Exactly, and we're going to show that to you today.
Yeah.
Well,
we're going to show you how.
How?
Tell you how.
Yep.
So what we did is we cut out 2 hearts that are the same size, and the way you can do that is you can fold one piece of paper in half and then cut out the heart with your safety scissors so you know they're the exact same size.
Yep.
Yep, and then one is going to be the bottom and one is going to be the top of the lid.
Just like that.
Yep, great. And then cut out 2 pieces of paper like this, and one will be for the lid, the edges around the lid, and the other is for the edges around the bottom. So you can make one bigger and the other one smaller, or you can make them the same size.
Yep.
And then we fold it over the edge. See how it's folded right there?
Yeah.
And then we cut little tiny lines along the edge so that up to the fold. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue stick and glue that bottom to the heart around the edge. So like hold up your heart, Noah. So that's the top, and then we glued the paper all around the edge.
Yeah.
And that's how you make your heart. And then you have to let the glue dry.
And basically the cutouts makes the paper, or allows you paper to make it into a heart shape, right?
Yeah, because otherwise the paper would only want to be square or have angles.
Yeah.
But all the little tiny cuts make it so that it can be rounded on the edges.
Exactly.
Wow, that's an amazing looking heart box, isn't it? Kids, did you do one too? I would love to see how yours looks like. Feel free to send us a picture via Instagram or Facebook. And now, let's go back to Noah and Olivia and see what they made for each other, okay?
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day, kids!
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Aw, happy Valentine's Day to you, Noah!
Are you going to do something exciting?
Me or the
At
kids?
school?
Yes, at school today, we are going to give each other Valentines.
Yeah. I kind of dressed up.
Me too.
I wanted to impress a girl
You
at
look,
school.
what girl are you looking to impress?
Well, you know.
Aw, I think she'll like you. You look very nice. I like that you're wearing a red tie for Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
That's very, very heart.
I wanted to be a gentleman today.
Aw, you look lovely, Noah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you making her a Valentine?
Well, maybe you can help me out, but I made one for you.
Oh, you did?
I did.
Oh, I made one for you too.
See, I have this
Ooh.
and this for you.
Wow. I have stuff for you too.
Wow.
Yeah, here.
Oh, okay, I'll give this to you.
Yeah, like
Here's
that.
your card and your Valentine.
Thank you. Do you want me to open mine first, or do you want to open
yours first.
Okay. Should I look at the card first? Card first.
Yeah. Look
let's
at
see.
the card first.
So
I hope you like it.
I do. I love it so far.
You
It
know,
says-
those are the things you taught me at craft, so I tried really, really my best.
It's really cute. I like it. Look, kids. It says Olivia, and the O is made with a heart.
Yes.
Oh, and inside the A is a heart too.
Yes.
Aw, that's really, really cute. Noah, thank you.
I was trying to use my imagination, be very, very crafty.
Oh, it looks very, very nice so far.
Good.
Ooh, and let's see. It's it's a heart.
Yeah.
Oh, with lots of hearts and a smiley face, and it says happy. So that's a happy heart. And then inside it says, oh, I really like it, Noah, but I think you maybe forgot a word. Because inside it just says Valentine's.
Oh, no. That's all meant to be. Just go on. I meant to have it that way.
Go on.
Go on. Flip it open.
Oh, unfold it
Yeah.
more. Oh, hold on.
There's one more.
Ah!
Hey, happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, and then it says Love Noah.
Yeah, every page has a new thing to flip open.
Aw.
And it'll be like happy, and then you open it up.
Yeah.
Valentine's, and then you open it up. Day!
Yay! That's really, really neat. Oh, I really like that.
Do you like that?
Yes, I do. That is so inventive, Noah. That's so neat.
Yeah.
And then no matter which page I have it on, I can have a different picture.
Exactly.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to
welcome.
set that right there.
Yeah.
And then, can I look at my box?
Yeah, look at your box. There's something inside.
Ooh. Oh!
Barbie candy!
Yay! I got Barbie candies. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Ooh, I'm so excited to eat all my Barbie candies. Ooh, yay. Thank you, Noah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're
Happy
welcome.
Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's.
Oh, I hope you like yours.
Okay, I'll open mine.
Yours might be better than, or the one you gave me might be better than the one I gave you. I don't know.
I'll open it.
I hope you like
So, this says
Mhm.
Noah.
Noah, yeah.
Oh, and there's even a heart with my end in there.
Yay.
That's cute. Okay, and then I'll open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, did I break something?
No.
Oh,
Yeah, you can like shake that out.
to Noah, be my Valentine.
Yeah, and look.
There's a lot of flowers there. Oh, wait, hold on. I can see. Oh, should I, like, woo!
Woo! Yeah.
Oh, wow. Did you see all of those flowers?
Yeah, they're little hearts.
Little hearts.
Yeah, and then if you
that was
look at the front of the card.
Oh, where did I put my card? Oh, there it is.
So here, if we unfold it together.
Oh, I see all of the flower. Oh, no, the heart shapes.
Yeah, see, look, it's like a snowflake of hearts.
Whoa.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
and then I put the other hearts inside it like confetti.
Wow. That's really beautiful.
Aw.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, happy Valentine's Day,
Happy
Noah.
Valentine's Day. I'm
Yeah.
happy you liked yours.
Yay. Did you like yours too?
Yeah, I did. I
Yeah?
love it. I'm gonna put mine up in my room and hang it up, and then I can
Yay.
see all of the hearts.
Yay, and I'm
And
gonna
maybe I
hang
can
this up.
still collect all of the confetti and just woo.
Woo, yeah, and throw it over and over again.
And kids, we wish you a happy
Yeah.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, kids.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.